The UInvest team is now happy to offer this new investment. This shopping mall is situated in Kiev, which is the capital city of Ukraine. The mall is one of the most vibrant trading centers in Ukraine. They are also actively developing and looking for new investments to build new outdoor facilities. Now is the time to get involved, as the shopping season starts in March. Lots of people stock up on the spring and summer collections, meaning an increased profit for shareholders. Ukraine is actively preparing for Euro 2012, Europe's greatest footballing event. It will bring many tourists into the country. This in turn means more money being spent in the shopping malls, meaning rent prices going up and more return to the investors. This mall has many great stores, which means that the customers are more likely to stay within the mall and spend their money. So don't delay, invest today.